Hey friends and family, it's Sunday, July 24th, about 3:45, and I'm going to attempt to, besides mow the yard, I'm going to start working on her. I'll get a good video of her paint the way she is. I'm going to try to spray paint it. Instead of hand painting this time, I'm going to brush it off and then put primer. She comes out. I'm going to do her out here on the steps, but it's kind of windy. So I'm going to use some primer. And that'll be her cape or whatever. It's spa blue. I think it's about the same color. And the Oasis blue will be the roof of the cathedral thing. I got stuff in here to try to tape it off, but I got to mow too. So I'll definitely get the mowing done and get primer on her. And the vessel, or whatever you want to call it. Had a rough night, excuse me. No, I didn't get drunk or anything. My lantanas are really going crazy. I love them. So anyways, I don't have any way of making or editing my cell phone videos into one video, so I'll do probably 3 videos of the painting and restoration of Madonna statue. But we'll end on that. I'll get a couple close-ups of this. There's a solid red one. Truth, peace, freedom, love to all. Have a good Sunday afternoon. I got to get busy because I got to work in the morning.